Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're stepping away from the city and into the serene, timeless world of cabin log house design. This isn't just a building, it's a feeling, a connection to nature, and a symbol of comfort and timeless beauty. So, what exactly is a cabin log house? It's a residential structure built primarily with horizontal logs, typically interlocked at the corners. This construction method has a rich history, rooted in the rugged, forested landscapes of Europe and North America, where builders used the most abundant natural resource to create durable, simple shelters. Modern log homes have evolved far beyond the simple hunting cabins of the past. Today, they can be handcrafted from whole, hand-peeled logs for a deeply rustic look, or milled from uniform, machine-cut logs for a cleaner, more contemporary aesthetic. The logs themselves form both the structural support and the walls of the house. This unique design creates an unparalleled warmth and a sense of history, blending the indoors with the natural world outside. A log cabin is more than a home, it's a sanctuary from the chaos of modern life. The allure of a log cabin goes far beyond its classic, picturesque charm. Owning a log home comes with a host of incredible benefits that contribute to a healthier, more peaceful, and more sustainable lifestyle. First, their primary material, wood, offers exceptional natural insulation and thermal mass. The dense logs absorb and store heat during the day and slowly release it at night, helping to regulate the indoor temperature and significantly reducing your heating and cooling costs. This makes them incredibly energy efficient and a wise long-term investment. Secondly, living in a log home can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. The wood acts as a natural air purifier, absorbing pollutants and regulating humidity to create a healthier indoor environment. The serene, rustic aesthetic and the close connection to nature have also been shown to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and tranquility, which is often hard to find in a fast-paced, urban setting. Finally, log cabins are an environmentally friendly and durable choice. When the logs are sourced from sustainably managed forests, the construction process has a much lower carbon footprint than building with concrete and steel. The durability of a well-built log home is legendary. With proper maintenance, it can last for generations, a testament to the strength and longevity of natural materials. The exterior of a log cabin is its defining feature, and decorating it is all about enhancing its natural beauty. Start by focusing on the roof and trim. A classic metal roof in a dark color like black or deep green can provide a beautiful contrast to the warm wood tones, while also offering excellent durability. For the trim around windows and doors, consider a complementary, clean color like white or a dark brown to make these features stand out. Create a welcoming entrance with a prominent porch or covered entryway. Use large, natural stone steps or a flagstone path to lead guests to the door. A sturdy wooden porch swing or a pair of rustic rocking chairs can turn this space into a relaxing outdoor living area. Don't forget about lighting. Lantern-style sconces or a rustic chandelier can add a touch of warmth and help highlight the texture of the logs after dusk. Finally, use landscaping to blend the home with its surroundings. Native plants, wildflowers, and evergreens can soften the edges of the house and make it feel like a seamless part of the landscape. Using large boulders or river stones in your landscaping can also mirror the natural materials of the cabin itself, creating a cohesive and earthy feel. The goal is to celebrate the cabin's organic form and let it shine as a natural extension of its environment. The beauty of modern log home design is its versatility. Here are some of the best styles you can choose from. Rustic and traditional. This style celebrates the classic log cabin look with rough-hewn, hand-peeled logs, prominent stone fireplaces, and a cozy, rugged charm. It's the quintessential woodland retreat. Modern and contemporary. This style contrasts the warmth of wood with sleek, clean lines. It often features large glass walls, an open concept floor plan, and a mix of materials like steel, concrete, and stone. Farmhouse. This style blends rustic elements with a light and airy feel. It features lighter colored wood, white trim, shiplap accents, and large wraparound porches, creating a comfortable and inviting country home. *chalet/alpine, inspired by European mountain architecture. This style is characterized by large, steeply pitched roofs to handle heavy snow, large windows, and often a prominent balcony. It's perfect for a scenic, mountainous location. *hybrid. This style combines log construction with other building methods, like timber framing or traditional drywall. This allows for a mix of exposed log walls for that classic cabin feel and smooth, painted walls for a lighter, more modern interior. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for. We've scoured the most stunning examples to bring you our top 10 best cabin log house design ideas. Each one is a work of art that shows just what's possible with wood and a whole lot of creativity. One, the classic A-frame with rustic charm. This classic A-frame design perfectly captures the essence of a rustic mountain retreat. The steeply pitched roof, ideal for heavy snow loads, creates a dramatic silhouette, while the exposed log framing on the interior and a large covered porch add to its traditional charm. The symmetrical design and warm wood tones make it feel instantly welcoming, and the large windows under the roof peak flood the interior with natural light, blurring the lines between the cozy cabin and the majestic wilderness outside. 2. Elevated forest cabin with an expansive deck. This stunning, elevated log cabin looks like it's floating among the trees, offering a truly immersive nature experience. The design features a two-story structure with a simple, clean log exterior that highlights the natural beauty of the wood. A massive, wraparound deck provides an incredible outdoor living space, perfect for entertaining or enjoying a quiet moment with a view. The elevation is not just for aesthetics. It's a practical choice for sloping land, creating a seamless transition from the ground up to this beautiful woodland home. 3. Modern hybrid with stone and glass. A perfect blend of old and new, this hybrid design pairs traditional log walls with large sections of glass and natural stone. The stone foundation and chimney provide a rugged contrast to the smooth, milled logs, while the floor-to-ceiling windows and clean lines give it a distinctly modern edge. This design maintains the warmth of a log home while offering the open, airy feel of contemporary architecture, proving that a cabin can be both rustic and refined. 4. The cozy farmhouse log cabin with a porch. This charming home combines the best of log cabin living with farmhouse style. The logs are a lighter tone, creating a bright and welcoming exterior, and the large wraparound porch provides a perfect place to relax with a view of the surrounding landscape. The classic gabled roof and simple, symmetrical design give it a timeless and approachable feel. This is the ideal home for those who love the rustic feel of a cabin but prefer a lighter, more classic aesthetic. 5. Grand Mountain Lodge with a prominent chimney. This magnificent, multi-story log home is the epitome of a luxurious mountain lodge. The massive logs and sturdy construction give it a feeling of permanence and grandeur. The most striking feature is the large, central stone chimney, which serves as a majestic focal point. Multiple balconies and a large deck extend the living space outdoors, allowing residents to take in the breathtaking mountain views from every angle. This design is built for both comfort and grand-scale entertaining. 6. The clean and modern flat-roof log home. Breaking away from the traditional A-frame, this cabin features a simple, flat roof and clean, minimalist lines. The logs are meticulously cut and stacked, giving the home a more uniform and sleek appearance. The large, black-framed windows create a bold contrast against the natural wood and add to its modern sensibility. This design proves that log homes can be adapted to a variety of architectural tastes, from rustic to ultra-contemporary. 7. Rustic retreat with a covered carport and exposed beams. This cabin is a masterclass in rustic functionality. The main structure features classic log walls, but the exposed wooden beams and trusses on the roof and the attached covered carport create a sense of raw, unpolished beauty. The design is simple yet sophisticated, with a large, inviting porch that serves as a seamless transition from the driveway to the front door. This home is a perfect example of a design that is both practical and deeply connected to nature. 8. The lakeside chalet with a large balcony. Nestled on the edge of a serene lake, this home features a chalet-inspired design with a high-pitched roof and a large balcony overlooking the water. The logs are a warm, inviting color that complements the natural surroundings. A set of large sliding glass doors opens the main living area directly onto the balcony, creating a perfect indoor-outdoor living space for enjoying the scenic view and a cool lake breeze. 9. The ultimate rustic lodge with stone accents. This magnificent home embodies the classic lodge style. It features a sprawling design with multiple gables and a combination of hand-hewn logs and dramatic natural stone accents. The massive stone foundation and chimney, along with the detailed wooden railing and large deck, create a powerful and luxurious statement. This is the kind of home that feels both grand and incredibly cozy, a perfect sanctuary for a large family or a grand retreat. 10. The cozy and compact log cabin with a covered porch. Proving that you don't need a huge footprint to create a perfect log home, this compact cabin is a gem of design efficiency. It features a simple, classic structure with a front-facing covered porch that provides a sheltered entryway and a place to sit and enjoy the quiet. The design is clean, with the uniform logs creating a tidy and elegant facade. This home is a perfect example of a cozy, functional, and beautiful log cabin for those seeking a smaller, more manageable escape. And there you have it, 10 breathtaking examples of cabin log house designs that show the true range of this timeless architectural style. Whether your dream is a cozy rustic retreat or a sleek modern lodge, there's a log home design out there for you. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern cabin log house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.